Pugi! Huwag yung tingin-tingin sa floor, ha? Kasi insecure ka pa sa kanta, no? Yun ang problema.
Music, please.
Na? La?
Attitude.
Sir, mali po yung tuktok. Ay, niya ka pala, Sar. Sorry, sir. Char. Ikaw, sir. Pala yun. Sorry. Sorry.
Hala!
Tingnan mo, anak. See how bad it looks kapag if you're looking at the floor all the time because you're trying to focus on the song. You don't wanna make contact with the camera. Oh, tignan mo. Para kumakanta ka sa sarili mo. Tignan mo, anak. Anak, tignan mo. Okay, cut. So, Bugoy, nakita mo ang problema mo dito, which is never your problem before. You know, ang bilis-bilis mo dating mag-aral na kanta na di-distract ka for whatever reason, okay, you have to focus, okay? Otherwise, especially next time, you'll be in big trouble if this happens next time, okay? Let's look at nipples.
Nipples.
Mami, second cup kayo yung direct.
No, the second cut is alright. Let's go into Hansen now. And then ready yung 3 girls, ha? Yes, again. First to present is Larnie, and then Lizelle, and then Apollonia. Okay?
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Then I'll give my big announcement. Oh, yo.
Very big.
Yo.
Will you be happy?
No.
Sama ko announcement.
No, Hansen, you are improving tremendously. You still dance a bit stiffly, but then you are improving tremendously. I'm glad. You really will melt panty liners with such, di ba?
Yeah.
He's the walking vibrator.
Mamaya may votation ng girls. Who had more appeal dancing? Was it Hansen or Van? Okay? That's a dick. That's not a vibrator. Okay, that's good. Yeah. See, he has more confidence now. Payat mo pa rin. Payat pa na, no? Di ba payat pa? Di ba kasi parang ang haba ng mukha? Parang okay, cut. You see, what's important, Sen, right now is you're doing a lead. You're not doing boy band moves. You already have the confidence of a lead. That's very good. Okay, that's so good. Okay, let's look at the Gigolo from Cebu.
Gigolo. Yeah, man. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, man. Parang tumataba ka ba?
Si Hansen.
Hindi po.
Si Hansen?
Hindi,
Yung mukha ko lang yun.
tumataba ba, Chris?
Payat po niya. Sobrang.
Payat. Mas pumayat po.
Ano po siya sa waist niya?
Pero ang taba dyan.
Hindi ba?
Wow, slow mo. Yeah. Para ma-check ang cheekbones.
Ala.
So in person. Alright. Stop the lip biting. Yan ay Christina. Start namin. Ano ko naglaga? Oh, ikaw din.
Yes.
Ito mo, hindi ka nakafocus dito, nakangiti ka.
Love the fans.
Go! Okay, watch him lose his breath.
That's it.